This video is here to show you how to substitute numbers into algebraic expressions. Remember, algebra is the area of maths where we use letters to represent unknown quantities or numbers. Let's start by using cubes to represent an expression. Look at the expression 3y add 4. We use an interlocking cube to represent the unknown number, in this case y. We will use a base 10 ones cube to represent 1. In algebra, 3y is the same as 3 multiplied by y, so we need 3 interlocking cubes. We are adding 4, so we need 4 1 cubes. Now we have built our expression, we can substitute a value for y. This means we can replace y with a number. What will the value of our expression be if y is equal to 5? We have 3 lots of y. 3 multiplied by 5 equals 15. We have 4 ones, which equals 4. So altogether we have 19. Therefore, if y equals 5, 3y plus 4 equals 19. What would the value of our expression be if y was equal to 10? Pause here and work out the answer. If you need to, you could use cubes to help. How did you get on? Did you get 34 as your answer? Notice that although we changed the value of y, the 4 we added on, represented by the ones cubes, stayed the same. So 3y is equal to 3 lots of 10, which is 30, and then when we add on the 4, we get 34. Now let's see what substitution looks like without the cubes. Remember, if you find it useful, you can still use the cubes to help you until you're more secure. Let's start with the expression 7a add 2b. What's the difference about this expression? That's right, we have 2 unknown numbers this time, a and b. Now let's substitute values for a and b. What will the value of our expression be if a equals 3 and b equals 4? We are going to start by looking at the first part of our expression, which is 7a. 7a means 7 multiplied by a. A equals 3, so 7a is equal to 7 multiplied by 3, which is 21. Now let's work out the value of 2b. 2b equals 2 multiplied by b. b equals 4, so 2b is equal to 2 multiplied by 4, which is 8. Finally, we need to add the two parts together. 21 add 8 equals 29. Therefore, when a equals 3 and b equals 4, the value of 7a add 2b equals 29. Now it's your turn. What is the value of 6a take away 3b when the value of a equals 5 and the value of b equals 3? Pause here whilst you work out your answer. Here is the solution. How did you do? And finally, we're going to finish with a challenge. Take a look at these expressions. If n equals 1, which expression has the greatest value? Let's take a look at the value of each of the expressions. 3n equals 3 multiplied by 1, which equals 3. n plus 3 equals 1 plus 3, which equals 4. In 3n take away 1, 3n equals 3 multiplied by 1, which is 3, and subtract 1, which equals 2. Therefore, n plus 3 has the greatest value. I hope that this video has helped you to understand substitution. If you're looking for more videos just like this one, make sure you head to the Twinkl website to check them out. See you next time!